Welcome to a new Smart Money video on passive income for introverts. Yes, for introverts. If you have wondered how you can earn income as an introvert, how you don't want to be involved in sales and setting up selling because that's not who you are, how you don't want something that is too people heavy and intense because you prefer to keep the company with few and with yourself, then this video is for you. We are going to share passive income stream ideas which introverts can take advantage of, that your personality and your character and natural disposition lends itself towards and that you won't be hindered with. So if you want to hear and learn about passive income streams that are not based on sales or network marketing, this video is for you. Please subscribe to the channel to get more videos on personal growth, finance, investing, and business. We are going to look at 7 different passive income streams today, and then a really great bonus tip, which is a multiplier across most of these income streams. It will enable you to get even more income from your passive income stream than if you didn't do it. So stick around for that. Number 1 is writing blogs. These can be microblogs, larger blogs, or on paid services such as Medium. What you do is write about what you really know. Now, it is not a fast way to grow a passive income. It certainly takes time, but over time, you will begin to get more and more followers and more views of your articles and blogs. If it is a blog, you're really monetizing it through ad revenue and the bonus tip. If it is on a pay subscription service like Medium that you're writing for, it means that you will get a share of that person's subscription because they read your article. Number 2, sticking with the theme of writing, is to actually write an online course or ebook. Now, publishing on Amazon via Kindle is very easy. There are no upfront costs and you're able to self-publish. An online course is very similar. You pay for hosting of the videos if you want, but introverted, so more than likely it will be some sort of audio course along with a voice-over if there is any video content, or perhaps drawing and explaining things as opposed to letting people see you. Writing courses and creating ebooks is a very powerful passive income stream. Often courses are sold for $197 or $497. There is a little bit to learn around the pricing, and I suggest that you look that up and just see how to best price an online course. There are some psychological factors which come into it, which is why you would have noticed each of these prices ended in 7. Next one is to look for specific items in the market which you can acquire at a lower price in bulk and sell them individually much higher. Perhaps they are difficult to find or only available in certain retail outlets. By you purchasing them in those retail outlets, you're able to get a number of them stocked up and then sell them on eBay. It is not totally passive income like what an ebook is, which just generates income once you've written it, but it is a valid source of income and relatively passive. You don't have to work all day in order to make money. Please remember to smash that like button as it helps the channel out. We have 4 more passive income streams to come, and you could actually do all of these income streams and thereby have multiple streams of income, which is one of the success habits of a millionaire. I will link that video at the end. Passive income stream for introverts number 4 is dropshipping, or ordering in bulk and setting up a niche store to deliver. Now, what do I mean by a niche store? You focus on something specific. It is impossible to compete with Amazon in terms of breadth. You just can't do it. But what is a very successful strategy is to find a specific niche. Perhaps you are looking at toys for boys between the ages of 10 and 12, specifically outdoor toys, things to do with camping and scouts. Now you can set up a thematic website around that and an online store which facilitates the sales of these specific goods. It is vital that it's niche and that you focus it down, because this is going to help when you advertise it later. So what you will do is place adverts on Facebook and Instagram or even Google ads although Facebook seems to be doing the best these days for this type of advertising, you will place ads and generate traffic to your site or to specific products that you have set up dropshipping agreements with the suppliers or that you have pre-ordered in bulk. A very helpful online platform is Shopify, which really makes it easy to set up a niche store, and there are a number of plugins which can actually automatically import the reviews from AliExpress or other large warehouse sites. That means that your products will have reviews automatically. You can set up a nice theme around your niche. You can use Facebook advertising to drive traffic, and over time your site will become known for this specific niche. And then it starts to get customers coming back over and over and over to see what you've got in stock, and thereby builds a passive income stream for you, even if you're introverted. Passive income stream number 5 for introverts is YouTube. No, I'm not joking. For YouTube, what you can do is you can not be on camera. Rather, you can read a script or speak into a microphone and just edit over B-roll or other videos which explain or help to explain your video. That means you never actually have to be on camera, so there's nothing to be shy about. No one is going to see you. You then can focus on reading and speaking and articulating your concepts that you want to communicate. Now, building a YouTube channel does take a long time, and on average you need to put about 3 years in before you will get any sort of reasonable return from it. There are 2 more ideas to come in passive income streams for introverts, and a bonus tip which will make these far more powerful. Passive income stream for introverts number 6 is to do photos and music and then list it on stock sites. What this means is you take your photos or you take your music, perhaps you do videos, and you list them on stock photo, video and music sites. Others then pay a small fee to use your photo, video or music in their creations. If you do enough of these and you do it of a sufficient quality, you will start to increase over time. Because when you have 10 videos out, maybe you make just a few dollars. When you have 100 videos out, you can make a lot more. When you have 1,000 videos out, it starts to become even bigger. So the goal is really to have as much quality content as you can produce registered and listed with these stock sites. You do not have to set up the website. You simply sign up for an account and then you're able to start uploading. And as people buy your content, that site will send you a share of the revenue. Idea number 7 for introverts on generating passive income streams is trading. Now, I don't mean investing, I mean trading. Trading of stocks, shares, bonds, and indexes. As an introvert, you might really enjoy thinking. You might enjoy time by yourself and reflecting. And this lends itself towards trading, which really requires you to think about what you're doing and about why the market is moving or if it is going in a certain direction. The truth is, 78% of people lose money in stock trading. Now you might ask me, Bradley, 78% are failing. Why should I do this? Well, 78% fail, but 22% make it. And if you think about it, 22% chance of success is pretty good, because actually 95% of small businesses fail within 5 years. Trading is going to require you to study and learn skills. I recommend a technical approach to the market, and there is a specific book, Trend Following. That book is critical for anyone who wants to use a technical approach to the market. It explains how trends work and how you can make far more money using trends than a classic buy and hold strategy. Now, what was the bonus tip that I referenced earlier? It's affiliates and affiliate marketing. What you can do in all of these different avenues is bring in a way of referencing people to other people's products or sites. For example, on Amazon, if you check out in the comments below, you will see a link to Trend Following, and if you click on that, it goes through to my affiliate site, and if you buy it, I get a few cents from the purchase. But over time, and as more people watch this video and as my YouTube channel grows, the affiliate marketing part of it will generate income for me. And you can do exactly the same. And it requires no extroverted talents at all. As promised earlier in the video, here is the link to Habits of Successful Millionaires and that video, which can really help you to succeed and grow your wealth. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone, because together we can create an abundance.